In a world getting warmer, crowded with people who want to stay healthy, the original life form, microalgae, can restore our health and our planet. Once called a food of the future, spirulina is now enjoyed by millions of people around the world. It contains phytonutrients, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds with proven health benefits. Spirulina World Food is the complete guide to the superfood, updated over 33 years and translated into 8 languages. This new 8th edition is easy to read with over 400 color photos. It covers how blue-green algae filled our atmosphere with oxygen 3.6 billion years ago so higher life could evolve. Eaten for centuries by traditional people, spirulina was rediscovered as a food 50 years ago. How to enjoy this nutrient-dense superfood for vibrant health in supplements, drinks, and foods. Decades of scientific discoveries reveal antiviral, anti-cancer, anti-aging, detoxification, and immune system benefits. Growing in large commercial farms, small micro-farms, and in developing world villages, spirulina delivers more nutrition per area than any other food. How will microalgae impact our food, agriculture, and climate in this coming decade? Big investments in algae will grow food, its biopackaging, and a dazzling array of new products. How schemes, dreams, and a new circular bioeconomy with microalgae can restore and regreen our planet. From the origins of life, our immortal ancestor, spirulina, is back. Spirulina World Food is available at Amazon.com.